Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, different from the other country. Metro Manila is the city, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Dapolit, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern zone, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. And we are 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayas, Pimos, sugar, coconut, and corn. Ibu, Mactan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samarete, Iloilo, Kapit, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Tequihon, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambaho, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental, Del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city.